Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. I know this video is kind of last minute, but I hope that you guys like it, and I think it could still be like a good idea for like the New Year's. It's still like holiday themed, so I think this still will look cute. But yeah, today's video I'm gonna show you how I did these holiday nails. They're Gelix nails, super easy to do. You could change it up a little bit so they could fit for like the New Year's. But yeah, they're very easy, and I think it could be for like beginners. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'll jump straight into the design. I do have a video on all of the prep, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave the link down below. But for the prep, I will file any leftover gel that I had whenever I applied the Gelix tips, and I'm also buffing them so that whenever I do the designs and the base gel, everything lasts a while. Even though I use the electric file, I also like to use this other file just to buff them and make sure they are kind of like rough so that we can apply our base gel and then also our base color. So for the base color, I'm using this nude-ish pink gel color. This is one of my favorites and it is from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. So I applied that to the three middle of my nails, if that makes sense, like the three middle fingers, and then I apply green to the other two nails. For the designs, the index finger, we're gonna do some mistletoe, so we're gonna do some kind of leaves, and these don't have to be perfect. This is kind of like a zoom in just so that you guys have a better detail of what they look like. And then we take some red and add 3 dots for the middle of these like mistletoes. And then we take some white and we put it in the middle of them just to add some detail and some like depth. And make sure to cure them in between each step, like each design, to make sure that the colors don't get mixed up. Then for the other fingers, we do the French tips kind of style with a green gel color. And then for the ring finger, we're gonna do some snowflakes. And then you can do the snowflake like this style like I'm gonna do. This is a little bit more complicated, so you're gonna do a lot of the detail of the snowflake like one by one, kind of like what I'm doing. Or you can opt out of this and do the dot style. I didn't record this just because it's a little bit more simple, but I did take like a little snippet of what this would look like. And then to finish this up, I just add a little bit of dots just everywhere. This is just random, just to add a little bit extra to the design.